Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria, and today I'm making these soft and delicious glazed orange cookies. These cookies are light, tender, and full of fresh citrus flavor in every bite. They're finished with a simple orange glaze, and they freeze well too. For the cookies, you'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, orange extract, eggs, oil, granulated sugar, and orange juice. You can use either fresh or bottled orange juice. If you can't find orange extract, lemon extract works well too. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, I already have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and whisk together. Then set aside. In a large bowl, whisk 2 eggs. Then add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and whisk until combined. Add 1 teaspoon of orange extract, 1/2 cup of orange juice, and 3/4 cup of oil. I use sunflower oil. Then mix well. Now add the dry ingredients and mix until a soft dough forms. Using a heaping teaspoonful or a small cookie scoop, drop the dough onto your prepared baking sheets about 1.5 inches apart. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. I used the convection bake setting and baked multiple trays at once, and mine took about 11 to 12 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I like to clean up as I go. Do you clean up as you go too, or wait until the end? Let me know in the comments. I always find it makes things so much easier when everything is tidy before the next step. Once you remove the cookies from the oven, let them sit on the baking sheet for a minute or two. You don't want to overbake these cookies. They're ready when they feel firm to the touch and are lightly golden underneath. Transfer the cookies to the wire racks and let them cool completely. While the cookies cool, let's make the glaze. For the glaze, you'll need powdered sugar, orange juice, melted butter, and orange zest. In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of orange zest, 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange juice, and 1/2 tablespoon of melted butter until smooth. If the glaze is too thick, add a little more orange juice. If it's too thin, add a little more powdered sugar. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cookies, or dip the tops into the glaze. Once the glaze is set, they're ready to enjoy. This recipe makes about 4 dozen cookies. These glazed orange cookies are soft, fresh, and bursting with bright orange flavor. They're perfect for brightening up a gloomy day or bringing to a spring gathering. I hope you enjoyed this easy homemade recipe. Tastes that citrusy orange flavor, very good. These cookies also freeze well. You can freeze the baked cookies in an airtight container between layers of wax or parchment paper for up to 3 months for best quality. Thaw at room temperature before serving. For extra protection against freezer burn, I like to place the container inside 1 or 2 plastic bags. This helps keep them fresh for longer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.